Hey guys, had a 50K day and I'm going to teach you what we saw, and actually you can see what our live trading in the morning is, because this is why we can hold for max profit. I know my targets. I watch my mega caps, I look at the VIX, and then we compare previous levels, and hopefully this video helps you and you can preview what it's like to be in our community, but also why people make so much money in our room. Okay. So this is the puts that I'm going to be trading into. So right now, you see the volume here on the options for the put side? It's a lot bigger. Okay, so this is why I called out puts right away, because I'm looking at the volume, right? First off, we got a rejection here. And then I'm seeing Apple drop. What did I tell you guys about Apple in the morning? Watch Apple get rejected and then curve down towards 225. We're almost there on 225. So if I'm seeing two of the biggest mega caps right here dropping, I'm like, rejection of the high, obvious put, right? Then I'm seeing volume on the puts options. So I could trade the first 1 minute into open, because I'm looking already at like 10 different things. I'm looking at the mega caps, I'm looking at the options volume, and then I'm looking at the options pricing. This is the 637 that I called out, so I want to see that get in the money. This is just on SPY today, okay? I said 63.80 because it's cheaper, so you can see the volume. Like, seeing the volume, look. Oh my god, look how easy this drop is on NQ. So when I say, guys, trade on your option chart, so easy. And then you also saw this downtrend happening on SPY. So they're selling it off, the calls, right? They're just like, bam. All right, so we just want to see if this candle, if it goes all the way down to fill this candle, same area. Look at this volume though. Like, you know, you're like, oh, should I get out on that tiny little candle? Like, no way. More volume on puts coming in. And this is just one option. So imagine there's hundreds of strikes on different expirations, right?
Total meltdown.
It's not meltdown. It's just like, what, 2 points? That's not that big. But still, at least we caught, what, 80-point move on NQ. ES was pretty easy. SPX, right? It's already like 15, 20 points, depending on your entry. I got it literally right at open. This was right at open. I got my puts. So we want to see if this candle fills. And I'm watching right now VIX. We want to see if this happens to VIX, right? It goes all the way up. So right now, right before the market open, I already prepped you guys where NVIDIA is going, right? It's going at least to 171, 170. So you can already tell this pattern. It's a bring it up and then reject hard, bring it down, because we need to find support here. This one too is obvious. Same thing, right? So this tells us QQQ is going down and Q is going down harder. So this is a support area I had from prior day. So when it starts hitting some levels from the previous day, we're still within a very tight range. Today is supposed to be a 3.50 range, right? $3.50. It's moved about 2 points so far. So that's why I gave the 63.80 strike. Because I'm already remembering. I'm memorizing all the expected moves before market starts, right? And y'all should too if you're trading, so that you already know your targets ahead of time. You're not emotional. Like, no emotions in trading, right? Just hit your target, put your
The
stop
Apple
loss,
setting up.
and see if it happens. Here, we're checking the volume again. More selling pressure. Sell, 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 sell. I'm going to put this to a lower strike to see if there's more selling here. When you're double checking with the options chart volume, and the same goes for SPX. SPX does not have volume, but when you're on the options chart, you're going to see volume there. I'm teaching you how to trade. Like, it's why I don't, this is why I can hold forever on a put and get to my target and get like 300, 400, 500%. All right, there it goes. We want to see this break and keep flushing to our 350 target.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all are still holding, right? Next target on NQ. Here. 23224. We're about 26 points down. So 10 more points on ES, SPX, another point to go on SPY.
Yeah.
All right. Apple, Meta, they're all flushing, right? You guys still have some PLTR puts? Great. Keep holding it. Next targets are 148, 143. That's going to be just the level that I have. Downward selling pressure is continuing. You can see the volume continuing here, right? So whether it's, I always do this, by the way. Now we're at 320.
Yeah.
Keep holding puts. Keep holding your puts. Okay, so yesterday I said do not get Meta yet, right? I said we have to see if this 744 holds. It's not. Jackson hole is like we're digging a hole in the ground. Let's see how far this hole goes before we dig ourselves out. All right, we're almost approaching our expected move downside. All these confirmations. Look, Apple, I said wait for this like line. It could keep going, but now take some profits if you want. Leave some runners. So first target hit. Now you leave a wide cushion. So see here. So I already have all my levels planned, but what am I really waiting for? I'm waiting for this thing right here. So you can trim, but look, more downward pressure. This instantly flipped from red to green. Keep holding. We're going down more. See how easy this is? Y'all are green, right? Who got puts and they're still holding? We're going to wait for this area. Okay, if we go past 4, we're having our 90-point day, 60-point day, guys. Keep flushing. Look, we just hit the support. Keep flushing, guys. Like, oh my God. All right, are we all making money? Just have a stop loss. Do not sell it. Because you're going to miss out and FOMO like, oh, I sold too soon. Apple has to go to 225. We talked about this pre-market. And what's my rule? After 4, what? Maybe 60? 60-point day? Hold your puts. Hold your puts. Hold your puts. Like, I'm holding till 143. 148, then 143 for PLTR. We're just waiting now. I know. Look at VIX, right? What did I draw for you guys? Pre-market. We had so much prep, right? Your 6380 is freaking deep in the money, man. We're going towards the bottom of this week's move. Oh my God. Who's 400%? Trim with the loose cushion because this could go to 6 points, 60 points on spot. SPX, I mean, yes. 15 more points to go. And we're going to be at the bottom of this move. Y'all in those September puts protected your mega caps, right? So when you're seeing this across the board, VIX going up and all the other ones dropping, a lot easier to hold, right? Like, are you even
Wow, it's only been 30
like,
minutes.
no way. I'm giving you the level. I'm telling you what's happening with the mega caps. If my target is down for Apple, down for Nvidia, down for AVGO, right? And possible breakdown for Meta, I'm like, they're part of the S&P 500. And I'm like, down for Microsoft, down for crypto. Like, yo. Anyways, all right.